know it's a little crazy, but I always get compliments on how I smell. So.
Is this the mukbang? It's a party in my mouth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be taking you on a little trip to LA with me. We're gonna go get a facial, give you a sneak peek of my life. So if you wanna see how today went for us, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this day. Let there be light. Who is there? Good morning. Good morning, Mochi.
Okay, let's get this face together. Young skin forever. I love this stuff. I barely have any left. Jaden, make sure you wear a nice unwrinkled shirt to school today. Okay, all right. Crazy. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like spa. It's giving spa in the morning, and I really like that. And then my ELEMIS morning matrix. The consistency and the texture. I really love this. Oh, it feels so amazing. Quick little eye lift. I do it in the morning. Clarins, it really does give you an eye lift. I'm not even joking. Just use a little bit. And your fingers. Press. Yes. Oh, feels amazing. Jaden, do you want some? You better come over here and get one of these. It feels so good and it actually works. SPF. 2 fingers. Protects you from the sun and helps you not age as fast. I'm just straightening my hair today. I'm not doing anything special. Especial. Jaden, that's your Spanish word of the day. I'm getting a facial with Clarins today in LA. So I live about an hour and something from LA. But I'm gonna go and meet with them, the team, and they're gonna give me a facial. And I've been using this product from Clarins for literally 2 or 3 years under my eyes. Under my eyes. I'm finally gonna meet with the team and they're gonna give me a facial. What, baby? Go ahead and give me a call once you get on your bike. Jaden bikes to school. It's one of his independent things that we're doing with him growing up. He's 14, he's gonna be 15 actually in January. He has one of those Super 73 bikes and he's going to school in it. Earrings are on, wedding ring is on. I'm probably gonna do my brows a little bit. I can't leave life without brows. Just gonna fill them in. I'm actually gonna film a little reel TikTok of this concealer hack before I leave that I found yesterday. It was so good, I wanna try it out. Look how uneven my brows are, you guys. I have to fill in so much, but it's okay. It's a gift, because then I can create whatever brows I want every single day of my life. Thank you, God. The early 2000s when I would tweeze my brows way too much. I just realized I'm gonna have to take off all my makeup before I start my facial. Ever since I've been putting up my hair, I've been more like aware of my flyaways. So even when I straighten my hair and have my hair down, I put this on. This is from When Summer Honey Peach. And it's just like a styling cream. It doesn't pump, so that's why I do that. But it smells good and it's not thick and heavy. It's just like very light. I just throw it over my hair so I don't have any crazy flyaways. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner in my life. It just makes you look more put together, you know? All right, I'm gonna pick an outfit for the day. And I think I'm gonna go with jeans, probably some black ones. These are pretty low rise, but what is that? Cat hair, always. I think I'm gonna wear these. And just like a regular basic top. This is a new top I got in, so I'm trying to figure out what to wear with it, but obviously not for right now because I'm just gonna go get a little facial, so I need to be comfortable. I'm thinking just like a regular black shirt, honestly, or gray, since it was gloomy outside yesterday. It's probably gonna be a little cold. What is the vibe? Gray? Oh, this is cute. This is from Joa Brown. It's just like a regular top. This gives me like rainy day vibes. So I'll put that on and then I'm gonna go do my little TikTok. I feel like I'm dressed like a boy today, but it's so comfortable and it's a little cold outside, so I don't mind. This is the fit today. All right, I always put this in my hair before I leave. It's like, especially because it's like fall time, the best scent ever. Brazilian Crush, caramelized vanilla and macadamia. Get it.
I know it's a little crazy, but I always get compliments on how I smell. So I'm about to go add some more perfume on. I forgot to turn off my straightener, but this is what I've been wearing lately. Oh, boba, that's my boba. Actually, that's my cat. She passed like 2 or 3 years ago. And I have a picture of her right here. I just found it and I randomly put it here. I need to put it away somewhere, but I was thinking of actually putting it above my cat's like area, like where they eat and stuff. I don't know why, just in memory, my little cutie. I don't care how crazy this looks, but that body spray, it fades away. It's not super intense. It's like very light and caramely. And then I add this on top, my favorite. This is from KLE, is apple. This could even be for Christmas vibes. This is so yummy. I put it here, press it together, and I take this from Lancome. It's this right here, and I just spray a little bit there, and we're customized. I made my own customized scent. Put a little bit of this Peri Para Glossy Lip. I love the way this smells. Okay, let's go. Mochi. I get them confused because their names are so close. I don't know why I did that. Mocha, Mochi. Oh, I love you so much. I love you. She has anxiety. She always runs away when people come to her. But I guess you're feeling good right now. Okay, this is where I film. I'm gonna film this little concealer hack that I found that I really wanna try. And I will take you guys on the road with me. Okay, I just finished my little video and I'm gonna go ahead and make a nice coffee before I have to leave. I actually have to leave like right now. I don't know why I do this to myself. Okay, but because I don't wanna go get Starbucks, it's Wednesday. Like, I don't need to be spending $1,000 at Starbucks. So I'm gonna take we're gonna go for white mocha today. I always put my milks in first, my ice second, and then my coffee. So some milk. I get the vanilla unsweetened. Then I take this now at the top. I actually should have done this at the beginning, but that's okay. It's gonna all flow together anyways, so it's all good. Let me stir the milks together. Smells amazing. Okay, I don't have cute ice, okay? I have gone on Amazon to get the cute ice. That will do. I'll move it around a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and take my cold brew. This is my favorite brand. It doesn't have a weird aftertaste like the Starbucks ones do. So just take a little bit of coffee, mix it around. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna add some cinnamon because it just gives you that fall flavor. You guys, I'm also in a hurry. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Okay. Bam, Starbucks. This is gonna be my breakfast. I'm gonna take a water. I need some water in my life, so makeup to touch up just in case I need to look cute for you guys. This is gonna be my purse this morning. And yes, I am basically a child. Really, a Tootsie Roll. We are ready to go. Let's go get our facial. The car doesn't have any charge in it. Great. Oh, shoot. Let's see how much charge. 150 miles. We are an hour and 41 minutes away from LA. This is gonna be a long drive. Made it to the Edition, and I'm about to get a facial with Clarins. This is Jill. Yes, Jill from Clarins, and we're about to go in there right now. I'm so excited. Okay, so we are in the spa. Clarins basically took over the Edition spa, and like nobody's here right now. It looks like they have saunas. Cute. Just gotta pick a locker and get changed. So I changed into my robe, and I'm ready to go. I'm in the spa room with Clarins. I just want to show you guys before they come in all the goodies. Oh my god, this is my favorite. I actually used it this morning. Not sponsored. I'm gonna get into the bed now, so I'm gonna take off my robe. What type of facial are we doing?
Youth Expert. Yep. We're going to do Youth Expert facial. Lymphatic massage that helps to drain, depuff.
My hair's a mess, but look how glowy my skin looks. Oh my goodness, so glowy. I don't even want to put makeup on today. Looks so good. So I just finished my facial, now I'm in the gifting suite. Look how beautiful this is. So pretty. Gift bag. cannot wait. This is actually an advent calendar and it makes me so excited. I'll show you guys when I get home because I can't do everything with one hand, but I'm excited because advent calendars means holidays and that's just happy time for me. And these little lip oils. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Okay, I put on some brows and some glasses, but I'm gonna go ahead and head over to agencies. It's where I get my outfits for PR, so it's that bag in the back. I'm gonna go take it back, get some new outfits for new events that I have. It's just easier than to buy a bunch of clothes. My closet's already like full of clothes. I'm here at Everly and we are getting some outfits for events this month. And I'm also, I did not let you guys know, but I am going to Tulum. So I'm super excited to get some cute stuff. They literally have the best of everything. I got all my clothes for the month for all my events. And now I am going back to LA. Hopefully there's not too much traffic, which I know there will be, but hopefully there's not. And then back home. Finally back home, and I haven't ate all day. It is now 4 o'clock. I only had my iced coffee that I made this morning, so I'm starving like so bad. And I made a sandwich and I don't want to wash, so I just put it on a paper plate with this stuffed bell pepper, this tiny little sweet bell pepper, I think, and then some Clausen pickles, the literal best pickles ever, and a cheese stick, because I'm starving. That Jaden opened for me because I couldn't open it for my nails. Bite of the day. First bite is a little dry. I should have put more mayonnaise. I also have Chipotle mayo in here. A little too dry. I bought these from Ralph's. I've never tried these, but I've always wanted to. Let's try it out. My mouth just went on a journey of self-discovery. Okay, I'm being extra. This is really, really good. It's really good when you first bite into it, and then it's like, ooh, it's a bell pepper. But then it gets really sweet, and then the creaminess comes in. So good. Is this a mukbang? It's a party in my mouth. Okay, so I have a few PR things to unbox. These are specific ones that I take to my house. All my PR basically is at my office and I have it like organized, but this is like my personal love right here, these brands. This one from Lunar Beauty just came in. My Birdie Lashes in Bear, very, very excited about these. Dose of Colors just came out with something new. Very, very cute. I love the mini. And some lip oils, which I've never seen from Dose, so I'm really excited about that. And some eye pencils. Desi has some minis, and I'm excited for these little minis. I love these because I travel during the holidays, and this comes in so perfect. Also, Chloe's brand Serenity just came out with eye shields. So cute. I can't wait to unbox those too. How freaking cute is this? This is an out of the calendar, but like a palette, and you open each color. This is so genius and so fun. Like if I were to just buy this, I would wait until Christmas. 12 days of Christmas. So exciting. So I'm gonna open it. I'm actually opening this on stories. This is the palette, 12 Days of Lunar. It's magnetic, so you can pop in the shades. I love this. I love the packaging. It always looks so beautiful. Lunar Beauty's packaging is always on point. I just wanna open one with you guys so you guys get the vibe of what's going on. Purple, little cute boxes with the shade. Oh my God, this is so reflective. Like, oh my gosh. I can't wait. I'm gonna swatch it on here. Creamy as can be. Oh my God, that was like, I put it right on my bones, but it still looks super pigmented, super like shimmery. All I can say is, oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Blinding, literally blinding. So pretty. Okay, I got everything in. Look how beautiful. Can we just talk about how unique and beautiful this concept is? This color story. This color story is so pretty. And the reflex in the shadows. Oh my freaking goodness. Look at this. Wow, it's literally like diamonds. I cannot wait to use this. I'm obsessed. Okay, so these just came out from Serene Beauty, and they're under eye patches that are reusable. So you could use them under your eye when you're doing your makeup, or you can put a serum underneath, and you can wash them and use them over and over. How about that? I just finished unboxing PR, like clothes, skincare, makeup. I'm just gonna leave it here because I am too tired to put it away. I'll put it away tomorrow or like this weekend. But this is my closet right now. I need more hangers, you guys, and I need to take all these white hangers out, but that's my life. Anyways, so I am going to end this vlog here. We're gonna go, actually did not make dinner tonight, you guys. I'm not making dinner. I'm just gonna go get something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, or following me around. Help me decide what to name this. But yeah, this is the end. I love you guys. Thank you for hanging out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.